Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back, and if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the bottom of your screen. I know I said I wasn't going to dye my hair again, but wow, you only live once, right? So I decided to use L'Oreal Techniques Mega Brown BR7 with a 20 volume developer. Some people prefer to put their dye mixture in a bowl and use a brush to apply it to their hair, but I find that putting my dye mixture in a bottle makes it so much easier for me to apply it to my hair. I also like to part my hair into fours. This also makes it a lot easier for me to apply the dye mixture to my hair, and I find that when I do this, the dye is more evenly dispersed throughout my hair. From there, I can go ahead and apply my mixture. From here, I'm going to let the dye sit in my hair for 25 minutes, and then I can go ahead and wash it out. And then I'm going to use my Peppermint Tea Tree Eden Natural Shampoo, the Eden Jojoba Monoi Deep Conditioner, my Old Faithful and favorite leave-in conditioner, the Kinky Curling Knots Today Detangler. And to style my hair, I use the Bamboo Protein Treatment and the Avocado Hair Mousse from the new Green Collection by Curls. And then last but not least, I diffuse my hair. So here's a little before and after. What do you guys think? I think I'm really feeling the dark hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really short tutorial. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.